The Jamaica Cricket Association has no concerns that the lights at Sabina Park will be an issue when Australia arrives for their tour of the Caribbean in July.
Although the lights at Sabina Park malfunctioned during the first game of last night's Jamaica Premier League playoffs, forcing a postponement, President of the Jamaica Cricket Association, Dr. Donovan Bennett, doesn't believe it will be a problem when Australia visits Jamaica for 1 Test and 2 T20 internationals.
No, because we have both generators, we have both backup lights, both backup generators up and running. Like I said, that will be fixed by this afternoon, so we shouldn't have a problem.
Bennett further explained his understanding of what occurred on Thursday based on his checks.
Because when the current came back on, the GPS current came back on, the transformer that supplies Sabina Park blew up. So that has got to be replaced. And not only did the transformer blow up, but the wires to the pothead, apparently were damaged also. So we may have to replace them. So I don't see us having GPS current back at Sabina until maybe Tuesday or Wednesday next week.
Speaking with the TVJ Sports about the light situation at Sabina Park in March, Director of Cricket with Cricket West Indies, Miles Bascom, indicated that the light situation would not affect Sabina Park's ability to host the games versus Australia.
When the schedule was set, of course, it was set with the knowledge that the lights were not up to the standard for the night test match, right? So it's not a case where the lights need to come over the line for the test match to come to Jamaica. The match playing in Jamaica doesn't hinge at all on the lights being ready.
The third test is set for Sabina Park between July 12 and 16, while the 2 T20 internationals are set for July 20 and 22. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.